I think this is one of the most asked question lagi because it is one of the challenges when you're making Ilocos empanada dough. Minsan, kapag hindi maganda yung pagkakamasa or kapag masyado siyang dry or wet, 100% bubuka siya or magbe-break. Kaya naman, may tanong si Mr. Risby regarding this one. Basahin ko lang. Hi, do you know why mine always cracks when folding it in? Is it because I'm rolling the dough too thin? No. As I've mentioned, kapag maganda yung pagkakamasa mo dun sa dough, and second, if it's not wet or dry, magagawa mo yun. Ang ginagawa ko, just a tip, ang ginagawa ko para sa akin is minamasa ko yung dough for 30 minutes. And it's a laborious thing to do, I know, but trust me, it will work. And if you feel as well na yung tubig or yung dough is masyadong dry, lagyan mo ng pakonting tubig. If it's too wet, lagyan mo din ng pakonti-konti ng dough. Or, sorry, flour. And that's it. It will work magic. So, Mr. Risby, I'm so excited to know or to see yours. So please feel free to send it to me, and I'm excited to see it.